Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your local username to a different one in Windows 10. So to start off with, we want to change the local username for whatever reason. You may have got a computer and it says admin, or you might want to just change the name altogether to something different. So what we do is we type in the search bar, we type control panel. And in here, if yours does not look like this, you can change the view by going up to here, and it should be on category normally, but I usually like large icons a little bit better. So we click on user accounts, and we have an option here that says change your account name. So when we click on that, it says this is your account name. It's a local account, it's an administrator account, which means it gives it all the privileges, and it's password protected. So it says, what would your new one like to be? So I've got it as Techman Scott, but let's just say I wanted to do it as Scott. And we go, click on the change name. Now, it says here, Scott, but if we go down to the start menu, and we click on this little icon here, it still says Techman Scott. And why is that? It's because we need to restart our computer to have the changes take effect. So we'll do that now, and we'll come back and I'll show you that it's all changed. Awesome. Now that the computer is restarted, we can see that the change has taken effect, and it's our username that has changed here to Scott. So all you do is just still stick in your normal password because that hasn't changed, and you will be able to log in, and your local username will have changed. And that's how you do it in Windows 10.